Alright guys, we're working on a 2004 Chevy Malibu. This is the LT 3.5. So customer complaint was that checking your light and it didn't pass the smoke check. So I scanned it and that's the code that I got. P0401 code is sufficient GR flow. So I did bidirectional control with the scan tool. So let me show you. Let me get the EGR so I can show it to you guys. I got it off already. This is the EGR in this car. So that's how it looks like. Okay. So I did bidirectional control with the scan tool to the EGR to open it. Well, it was running, so let me get some light. So it's supposed to get rough, when the EGR and the flow is good. So I didn't notice any change on the flow, so I knew there was some blockage going through the not letting the EGR flow. So there's where the EGR leaves on this side here. As you can see, it's only 2 bolts, one here, one right here, and this is the pipe. There's only 1 bolt on that one. It connects to, let me show you here. So this is the pipe here in the back. You can see the pipe, 1 bolt, and the 2 bolts in the front. So I pulled that one out because I got to clean the passage and it goes all the way through. So this is what I found. Let's see if I get a straight light. See this? See, that's clogged. That's the passage in the band that the EGR bleeds from. So let me see. I'm sure you guys can see that. Let's see if it's positioned. There you go. Let me get a piece of bowl so I can show you guys. See this? There's where it's clogged. All this crap gets full and it clogs the passage, so that's why we get this code P0401. So it's pretty hard. Pretty hard stuff. So I want to get a piece of wire or something. I want to work my way through the hole. So I'll make sure that it comes on this side. So it comes through here. So we can make sure that it's clear. So that's where we are. So if you guys get this code, sign guys to just change the EGR for a new one because of the code, but you gotta go a little farther and next and test so you don't change parts just because. So we need to clean that and that should take care of the problem. So this is the throttle body. So this one goes like that. So on this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a small bolt on the bottom. So there's 2 bolts and these studs. There's 2 of them to take this guy out. So I just leave it connected so I don't have to disconnect it because I don't want to unplug the battery because I don't want to reset the computer again and the car needs to pass the smoke and it's running through the monitor so it can pass it. So there's the gasket. So while I'm here, I want to clean all this. Just having problems with the idle, so I want to clean the throttle too, where I'm at, and then that should take care of the problem. So now you guys know how to handle with this P0401 and check that first and That might save you some money so you don't have to throw parts on it. Alright, so I want to clean all the way through, and then maybe I'll show you guys in the next video with the scan tool so we can command the EGR to open it, and I show what it's supposed to do. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye.